Welcome to another new video of interesting math problem on our channel Math Solutions for You. Please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The function fx is equal to 2x square minus 7x plus k will be always positive for which of the following values of k? So we're given a quadratic function fx is equal to 2x square minus 7x plus k, where k is a parameter, and we're asked to find the values of this parameter k for which this function is going to be always positive. And whenever problems like these are given involving quadratic functions or quadratic expressions, it's always a good idea to try to what's called completing the square. And for completing the square, we essentially start by taking the coefficient of the x square, that's the quadratic term, common, and then we start a parenthesis. And the first term within the parenthesis is, of course, x squared in this case, right? So we have taken 2 common, and then within parenthesis we have x squared. And then the next term, minus 7x, becomes minus 7 by 2x, because we have taken a 2 common. So we have to basically divide that coefficient by 2. So we are left with minus 7 by 2x. And then we close the parentheses and we are still left with that parameter k. Next, we try to express that expression involving x squared within parentheses in the form x minus some constant whole square. And the way to do that is try to break up the coefficient of x, or the term x, as 2 multiplied by x multiplied by, in this case, it's going to be 7 by 4, because we had originally 7 by 2. So when we basically write 2 multiplied by x, we have to adjust the denominator by multiplying the denominator by 2. So that becomes 7 by 4. And then remember, this is of the form that we're trying to get within the parenthesis is, a minus b whole square. So we have x square minus 2 times x times 7 by 4. And we need that b squared term now, right? So that b square in this case will be 7 by 4 whole square, because we have 2 multiplied by x multiplied by 7 by 4. So we add 7 by 4 whole square, and then we close the parenthesis, and outside the parenthesis we have k. But now remember, we have added a term, so to maintain parity we got to subtract that term. And in this case, the term that was added was 2 multiplied by 7 by 4 whole square, so we subtract that, right, so that the expression doesn't change in value. Now we have sort of completed the square, because we could write that expression within parentheses as 2 multiplied by x minus 7 by 4 whole square, and then we are left with k minus, and the other term 2 multiplied by 7 by 4 whole square comes to 49 divided by 8. So we have 2 multiplied by x minus 7 by 4 whole square plus k minus 49 by 8. Now, if we look at the first term, which is 2x minus 7 by 4 whole square. So we're trying to basically, find what is the minimum value that fx can take. Well, this square term, right, this is a whole square term, and this term for any real values of x will be positive, right, because it's a whole square.
So the minimum value that this particular term can take is 0, right? And then the other portion, it's pretty much the parameter k minus 49 by 8, right? So the minimum value of fx will be essentially 0 plus k minus 49 by 8. And if we can ensure that this minimum value is positive, then that in turn makes sure that this function fx equal to 2x squared minus 7x plus k will be always positive, because the minimum value it can take is positive. So of course it's going to be always positive. And for the minimum value of fx to be positive, we already found out what the minimum value is in terms of k, right? It's k minus 49 by 8. So that has to be greater than 0, which in turn implies that k has to be greater than 49 by 8, which is a little higher than 7, because 49 by 7 is 7. So k has to be greater than 49 by 8. So looking through all the options, we have basically option D, which is the correct choice.